pictures. I gotta get out the bus.
He loved it.
Yes, you know. Just so we was asking for pictures. I'll go see what's back. I just go up there and
that was the interview. I'm the only one that didn't get. Do you?
I'll tell you what, tell me to go put my stuff up real quick.
We're going to take photographs now because we're not... Well, what are you going to play?
I don't leave anybody mad. So.
We know you wouldn't. Yeah. Right, don't
I hate to do that.
Right. Oh, gosh.
Sean, you could just say hi to Robert.
Hey, Robert, how's it going?
Oh, it
Doesn't work. That's good.
Come on now, kiddos.
Sorry.
Sorry, one more time.
Right. Oh, it's not going. Oh,
All
wait, no, it's all right now.
right.
And can I have one for you?
That
didn't work. There you go.
Sorry about that. Thanks.
Yeah.
Is the camera?
Hold the other one. Quick, one more picture, gotta go.
Thanks, Sean.
I'll be back now.
You could just stand next to Robert.
I'll be right back
All right,
now,
thank
right?
you.
I just get my stuff down. We got my room.
My camera's gonna work.
How you doing?
Never seen you without a bottle in your hand before.
Oh,
Can I have a
man.
photograph of you?
Sure.
Where have you always got as well? Can I go to Manchester back then?
Huh?
Manchester. Mama, smile. That's kind of Manchester.
Ben. Sorry about that.
Alright. What it is, man? What's up, fuck weed?
Mum, you tell me about all your
Yeah, there's one. Yeah.
Got to press that in. Right, okay.
Hold it.
The one for Sean didn't work. Well, if he comes down then I'll take out my camera. I know it will. Sorry.
Next girl.
This is ridiculous. Within 5 minutes. Sorry, Martin. We're going to send it to Mark soon. Hi, Sue.
I think you know, she's got a lot better than I have.
Hi, Auntie Susan.
Auntie Susan.
Yeah,
There, I'll say hi.
This is my little son.
Yeah, it's changed.
But I'll put same
Sorry about
time.
that.
I'll be left to stop.
My dad from Newcastle was on the same.
like watching it. I don't play it. Local school near us, last Wednesday final in rugby, they kind of tunneled the pitch. Yeah, local girls. Basketball, I used to play that a lot. Ice hockey.
No, he's standing and I'm dead. I'm changing tone. I'm going to do tone. You might come with.
Okay, I got it. I don't know why, but rank your senators and let them know that you want the girls back in this town. See ya. We'll definitely be there. Taking it. With black bag.
Speak to the kids.
Yeah.
I've got it.
Oh, say that again. Sarah.
Yeah, that's it.
Professional smile.
That's your best.
Wow. Did you get that on? Jonathan. His name's Grant. Jonathan.
Trying to figure out what. What here.
Go get him. I can't stand him. I really hate him.
Go back to the bar. How could you say? You turned your back on me.
Good luck tonight, Chris.
Kick us off, Chris. No, I did not, sir. I tried to get out of it.
Come on, get down over there. Hey, come on, hey!
Who's true for Lex? Why?
Hey, Jake, come on, Jake.
I can't do. Oh, delivery.
Snap.
And huh?
Hey, come on. Let me come Hey, you think you got some guys there or what? Hey, yeah. I'm gonna give you a honey double, James.
Simon comes back out. Just asking Simon comes back out.
Shot that one time. Is it? Okay. How are you? Huh? I'm on 10. Yes, when we come back in. Okay, there you go.
Food, you look. Well.
The weird people.
It's that man from the Orient. Oh. I've got quite a bit.
I better find my money.
So who's the Oriental chap over there?
Who's the Oriental chap?
Are they based?
I think he's fat. And what the fuck is Barry Horowitz doing?
And what the fuck is Pierre look like?
Yeah.
What's going on here? Ah.
And I can't see a fucking...
I can't see.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Sorry about this. I'll let you go in a minute. I'm trying to wait for a picture, but somebody's waiting for a flash to warm up.
Has it been a good show, Billy? Has it been a good show?
There's a picture.
It's long and tiring.
Right, yeah.
Give us something.
Oh, I can get that. Right, are you ready, Lauren?
Got one? Another night. Give us a bang bang for the camera, please, Bill.
Bang, bang.
Been jiggling much. Rob, it's Mr. Jiggle. Oh yeah, where is it? Oh, there it is.
WWF Superstars.
Yeah, sure.
Take mine. Who's next?
Get ready, get.
Yeah.
On it. Trying to push past this, is it?
Sure, brother.
I'm gone. Who's signing there?
Wham bam.
This get worse since we were leaving.
Oh dear.
Yeah. Come on, Neil. Go on. Can they have some touch?
Hang on, I'll do something.
Where?
You go on a bug with no legs.
This one here.
NEL or?
NEIL.
Video today.
That's nice.
I can't do it. Get out of it. Small Duke.
I've got one place.
Yeah, very good. Break your head. Hope so, anyway. Yeah, all right. So you done that one. It wasn't funny first time.
Small boot.
Take out. Funny noise. John. Zoom. Really good. Shot there.
Let's have a shot of the belly button ring, please.
Husband.
Yeah, go outside.
Blow it. You blew it, Luger. Why wouldn't you? Go, go, Power Rangers. Everything changes but Baz.
What's the honky?
Oh, hey, what time? No one's looking. Don't stop for the fans, you.
That'll be quite.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you.
I'll be down.
Good luck.
I'll be down party.
Thank you. someone him on it.
Jeez, Johnny Rose.
Hello, man.
Where's the football gimmick? The football soccer gimmick that you're meant to get. They'll give you a soccer gimmick when you kick out footballs to the crowd and stuff.
You guys know more than I do.
Say hi then. This guy smells. Hey, Mark. Hello.
Hey!
Don't you forget that name. Three.
Hey.
Five. Kill him tonight, Bundy. Who's this guy? Who is this man? Go on, get on the coach. Go on.
Hey, don't tell me what to do. Yeah.
Oi, Race. We're in front row tonight. Razor. Mr. Ramon.
Can you take a photo?
Look, Chica.
Thanks.
We're in front row tonight. So be sure to hit me or something.
Tell me what to do.
Please don't praise us.
Anything. Hang on. Is that slow referee?
No.
How's it
gone, mate?
Might he...
It looks like Shawn Michaels.
Look at this guy. He's that bloke who talks, isn't he? What's he?
Well, we'll see you downstairs.
Ain't that the shits? Wait, Joe, how dare you? Joe, you're not sitting next to me. Bob.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Hi, Tracy.
Come on, boy.
$2 in the jukebox, Happy.
Oh, dear. And what the fuck was that sign in the ring? Oh, what? He's got our boots on, Rob. Hello. Five.
Oh, thank you very much, Jim.
Bundy. Say hello.
Hello. Thank you very much. Bye.
How's the corporation?
Okay.
Bit more for the summer. Oh.
No, I don't think so. 5,000. 5,000. I'll be back down. Yeah.
Sounds good.
So, get him. Bye.
Bye. I'll be right back down.
Hi, Tracy. Oh, dear.
Which floor?
I got you there now. I know.
It's the corporation, Rob.
What's that geezer with all the black? Who's with Irwin? What's his name? The,
Oh, yeah.
oh, you all said there was...
Oh, get that kid.
You know, it's with Irwin, yeah, to beat up young Adam.
Yo, Jimmy. Wish that fucking kid moved. Oh, break it. Bass. Who's that? Is that? And where's the recording? Joe, that's disgusting. Film them.
Who is this guy?
Razor.
Who is this guy?
Oh, no, he's a well done. I can't believe that.
It's got.
Razor.
Where'd you get that?
Oh, so if you kicked his ass at SummerSlam, why can't you take the world belt? Audrey. It's Jimmy.
I forget him again when he comes back down. I've got 2 autographs.
Will you shut your ass? Oh my God, it's raining. Bye-bye. Sweet name.
I heard Ridge Rack is the nicest place.
No, I can't say that.
Who is this guy? So that is pretty well done then.
And then where is Timothy? Where is Stephen?
It feels just like. Oh Lord. Is it Bob Backlund? Hang on, I think it's Bob Backlund. Barry, give us a pat on the back, me old man. Please.
Okay, make it quick.
Go on then.
Okay, you ready?
Yep, go on. Yes! Wait!
Oh,
Hello!
Yeah, mate.
How are you?
Hey, lovely.
Yay!
Oh. Where are we? Down here.
Hang on.
Here you go. Next Intercontinental Champion.
Sure.
He's the best.
Oh, you're this way.
G'day, cousin.
Hey.
Have a picture.
Oh, you got it.
Have a pic.
Oh, okay. 4 or 9?
Robert,
Who's that?
Ray, so a couple of words won't go amiss. Oh, thank you. That says it all, really. So, what's it like losing to Double J? You gave him too much yesterday.
Huh?
Too much.
Trying to make them.
Yeah.
He did help you beat Owen.
Yeah. Man o' war.
Mr. O'War.
Excuse me, are you really Portuguese?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
Really? He is.
he is. He speaks Portuguese.
Really?
Oh, you must have been watching our TV show, right?
Yeah.
Doing all that handheld shit.
Yeah, it's pretty good. So, why isn't Dwayne Gill on for? Dwayne Gill. You know he could beat you on the best day, right?
He's just on baby food right now.
Well, we got Barry Horowitz.
Wow.
Yeah. Just trying to get Mr. Walker in. Oh Lord.
Your fingers are on the lens.
put your finger over there. You got the flash on it, please.
Oh, yeah.
Can you sign this bit with the flash on?
When's it? Our pen is set.
The other one. Yeah.
Then I get it later on.
Can I have a photo of it?
Thank you.
You catch us together.
I'll try.
Okay.
Bart, can you do a sidewinder on us?
A what?
Sidewinder.
A sidewinder. Not enough room this morning.
Oh, okay then.
Just about to come out of the lift any minute.
Yeah, well done.
I spiked his JD with vodka. No, is it natural or is it
No, Eddie, no. It's not natural. Besides, I've got to do the washing up in those ones. Hi, Tracy. Young man.
Well, when he comes back.
Behind you.
Yeah, actual
Just get a grip on yourself.
She's about to get a grip on him. Wouldn't have had to pay for her either.
What's that?
Did you hear that?
It's Sarah, the next WWF lady.
Shut up!
Love you really, Sarah.
Why?
Yeah. How much?
See? That's what it is.
It's about £19 one way.
Jimmy, can you do the...
No, I don't think so.
Oh, young man. Shit, Rob, what you two fighting? You're meant to hate each other.
We have to prove what.
I don't... Yeah? Do you know?
You must be free.
What?
Vive le Quebec.
Yeah, 19 something or something. Hang on. What? Young man. Mr. Quang, could you just do that gobbing thing? Just so that...
What?
That thing. Go on, go on.
Jeez.
Can I zoom in on your beer belly?
What? Here?
Nice big belly. There's Donald
Check
Duck.
it.
Yep, nice one. Thank you.
Here?
Thank you very much. See you next time. Oh, I'll miss you, baby.
Not back. Not back going. Such a man. Oh,
It's just a little bit. Take it out, dude. Oh, take it out, brother. Come on. Oh, there. What is he doing in the bus? Hello. What? Come on, Quang, take out the trash, brother.
Oh, he's drawing the curtain.
Take us with you now, goodbye.
Can I go today?
Dave, this is Dave, this is Dave's belly.
No, not going. How come y'all not going today?
I've got enough for this skit. Yeah. Rob, let's do a Butch chant when he comes out, right? Yeah. Butch! 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 Butch!
Hey, wow.
And Luke! How's your
Yeah,
Bristol?
that's holding me down.
Hey! How's those Bristols? Bedtime, Lukey, bedtime.
Well, me and you, most of our stuff's going to be exactly the same, you know.
Oh, look. Yeah, I know.
Like that, for example.
Hey, mate, say goodbye to your young lady before you get on there. I mean, what are you doing? You got plans there? You marrying her or what?
Oh, young man.
Taking her back to the States with your oil well.
Sit up. Sit up, Barry. Not bad stuff. Oh, you bastard. You are so bad.
Put that shit in the back of the bus. Shut up.
What about your mum?
Look.
See you later, Peter. That's one.
It's the Patriot.
Oh, no, sorry, bro.
Yes, and we do your
How desperate can you get? Hello. So this is the Patriot. And I said, what's new?
What's that?
Look, he wants a shag.
She's very
You're really to the point, aren't you, Jono? You're not subtle at all.
It's true, brother.
You're not subtle as a rattlesnake.
I know, get out of the fucking way.
We'll see you later, right? Okay. See you later, fellas.
Buckwheat. I'll go to film this. Wait.
Which bus, brother? I'm on this one? How you doing today?
Rachel's looking for you.
Hey, brother.
Buddy, you're the best.
No, thank you.
You're absolutely brilliant. Bye, Jeff. Brilliant.
Still carries their badge. Everybody else got wheels.
Yep. Yep.
Me and Savage are the last of the dinosaurs who still carry their
But
badge.
Savage is gone.
But not forgotten.
Oh, I hope not.
But not forgotten.
Can we just take a quick picture?
I said, young man.
Over here, pal.
Sure.
Okay, sir.
Here, I put my bags on, no, mate. Hang on, is this the international champion? Rose, you know Davey done an interview over here and they thought he was fighting you for the international championship.
That would draw, wouldn't it?
Oh, that would be bloody good.
That'd be great, wouldn't it?
Excellent.
Then I'd kick David's ass.
Yeah, yeah.
keep that line.
We don't want to divide the marketplace right now.
Suppose so. Not yet.
Not yet.
And when's the turn?
Who's?
Yours.
Let
I want this on camera.
the people decide.
Oh dear.